Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from Uber. This is useful when you want to update your payment options or remove an old card you no longer use. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to m.uber.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account. This will take you to your Uber homepage where you can access all your account settings and preferences. After you've logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Wallet or Payments. This section is where all your payment information is stored and managed. Now you'll be taken to the Payments Overview page. Here, navigate to the Payment Methods section. This is where you'll see a list of all the cards or payment options currently linked to your Uber account. Take a moment to identify which payment method you want to remove. Once you've located the payment method you want to delete, click directly on it. This will open up the specific details for that particular payment option and give you access to additional controls. After clicking on the payment method, look for either a remove button or a trash icon. These are typically located near the bottom or side of the payment details. Click on whichever option appears on your screen. This initiates the removal process for that payment method. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to delete this payment method. This is an important safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. Go ahead and confirm the deletion by clicking yes or confirm depending on what the button says. And that's it. You've successfully removed a payment method from your Uber account. This helps you keep your payment options current and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.